Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to begin. Plug Google TV into an HDMI 2.0 or higher port and power it on. Make sure your TV input matches. Once done, connect to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi for smoother streaming, slower too. 4 GHz can work but may buffer. Sign into your Google account when prompted. This syncs apps and settings. Make sure your remote has fresh batteries and keep your phone nearby to speed up device pairing and password entry, so you move straight into setup without interruptions. Now complete network and account steps. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password exactly, because incorrect characters are the most common delay. After connecting, review Google Services prompts, enable backups to save app data, and choose location if you want personalized recommendations. Pair the remote when the Bluetooth prompt appears. Enter the code on screen if requested. Once paired, apply the first system update if offered. These patches improve stability and app compatibility, so installing now avoids later interruptions. Finish by installing key streaming apps from the Play Store and signing into each. App logins aren't transferred automatically, so keep credentials handy. Adjust display options, set resolution and HDR preferences, and choose the correct sound output, ARC or optical if using a receiver. Test playback briefly to confirm AV sync and network speed. If something goes wrong, first reboot the Google TV and your router. If Wi-Fi or sign-in issues persist, perform a factory reset from settings, then repeat setup to clear corrupted states.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.